Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I am Megan with Simply Megan Plans, and this video I am decorating my social media planner, which I use the dashboard layout for. And this week I've been talking about it in the last few videos, but there is just a lot going on. I really am trying to keep it as simple as possible. And so I am using a big old piece of scrapbook paper to cover up a big huge chunk of that side. I already knew that I wasn't really going to be utilizing that side very much. And so, to cover up a lot of that pink as well, it just seemed to work out a lot better that way. So, it's not always necessarily like that, but when I'm super busy, my social media takes a slight back burner. So, that's just where we're at. And I think hopefully you guys understand that. So anyways, I am using the winter sticker book, the number 907, and it's like these really cute picture stickers. There's like winter days and then toasty mornings and warm blankets, or cold mornings and toasty blankets, something like that. It's like super cute quotes and things like that. So went ahead and put all those different boxes down, and of course trying to do a lot of layering and grouping like I like to do, just trying to keep it super simple, as is this video. I pulled out these huge black letters. They are so ginormous, I hardly ever use them. When I bought them in the store, they didn't seem that big, but putting them down on the page, they're absolutely ginormous. So I hardly ever use them, but it just seemed like a good little spot to put January, just the abbreviation. So I went ahead and did that. And then I pulled out this new sticker book, and it had a lot of that good mint green that I'm using, kind of like that light blue. So just a few little stickers I pulled out to put down. It's like girl get go or something like that. I can't even read it right now, but you get the point. So I just wanted to add a few little details like that. So anyways, that's it. This is the end of the video. I tried to slow it down for you guys so you can get a good look at it. It's not much, keeping it super simple, but that's it. Let me know what you think in the comments below, and I'll talk to you in the next one. Bye guys.